Welcome back, everybody. And we're pulling in to see what we bought here. Today we're checking out this little piece of history that we recently acquired. 60-foot Grebe, built in 1963, custom boat out of Chicago. Pretty interesting place we're at here. Here's this boat right here. Let's check it out. Greg, it's a pleasure. Bill and I are the captains.
He's what?
Well, guys, what do you think? Here it is, 1963, 60-foot Grebe, custom made out of Chicago. Let's step aboard and see what it looks like. Inside the building there?
Yep, don't go in there.
Yeah. Wow, what's that thing sitting out there?
Hovercraft. You're sure? Yeah, the aluminum one?
Yeah.
Yeah, hovercraft. Boss, you're sure? It's the bottom half of a boat show.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. Welcome aboard, everybody. Let's check out our 60-foot Grebe. This looks like the main salon area. A little bit of carpet's gonna make this look real nice. We got some, looks like a Fisher stereo system. I don't know if anybody out there is looking for these speakers, but contact us. Like and subscribe at the bottom. Follow our channel. Figure out how to get a hold of us. And this vintage 1963 stereo system could be yours. Come on down. Let's check out the galley. You know, not bad. I can see myself baking some cookies here while we're underway in this, I don't know what it is. If it's a microwave, convection oven, it's something. Oh, we'll bake cookies down here. Got a full-size General Electric refrigerator. Works, cold. Looks like we got some guests over here. Wonder who's living there. Nice little vents up top here. Let's step up into the forward quarters. Wow, pretty cool. Got a set of bunk beds, bathroom, built-in shower. Got some nice cabinetry here. Plenty of cabinet space. We got some boat parts, aluminum foil. Let's see what's up front here. Ooh, that's all just storage. Let's get the flashlight out. We have hit the jackpot. Look at all this good stuff. Bunch of hose. We got hose for days. Yeah, let's check out what the back looks like. Pretty cool. Anybody want to see the engine room? Big look on Detroit, just spinning away. Those are V871 Detroit diesels.
Okay guys, we're around down here, but these right here are V871 Detroit diesels made by the General Motors Company back in 1963. We've also got ourselves a 20 kilowatt Owen Marine generator, the hot water air compressor. Behind us here we've got all the electrical panels. Let's go check out the rest of the boat. It's kind of noisy in here.
Well, that was fun. A lot quieter with that closed. Let's go see what the back of the boat looks like. I like all the built-in TVs. I don't know if they get digital cable, but we'll find out. Let's see here. Come on down. We got this beautiful bathroom. Got this nice guest room here. Twin beds. Wow, that's comfortable. Got all of our cushions for up top, nicely covered up, well taken care of. Beautiful woodworking here. Here, let me turn the light on for you. Look at this little chair. We got a chair for getting ready. What do we got? Closets here. Wow, nice. Full closet space. Check out the drawers in this closet. That is nice storage there. Let's check out the master. This is what you call the captain's quarters. There's some lights on. Beautiful twin bed arrangement. Got a wow, very spacious closet. You got another spacious closet. Let's check out the bathroom. Another bathroom. We have a Jack and Jill shower. Pretty cool. Let's go see the rest of the boat. Got it.
Tell us about the Grebe.
Okay.
The keys in, but no, we're gonna drop it off.
Talk back to him.
Not my fault.
Pretty cool little restaurant they got there, the Octopus Beer Garden. It's a floating restaurant up here in Clinton Township. We haven't been there yet, but we'll have to check it out one of these days. I guess we're about to find out, aren't we? Isn't this beautiful? Michigan is a state full of infrastructure. It's I-94 right there. Welcome to the Clinton River. As you can see, we've made it off the dock. We're cruising right along. Everything's going well. Hey, welcome.
Hey, Steve, I need more power. I need more power down there, so dial them up, boy.
Welcome to the helm of our 60-foot 1963 custom Grebe motor yacht out of Chicago, Illinois. Man, this steering is buttery smooth. After 63 years, cable pulling steering is where it's at. There's no feedback, there's no play, there's no resistance. Pretty cool boat. It's running like a top. We're heading to the fuel dock. Yeah. To the left. I bet you can.
Sundown.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I bet you it's something cool. I bet you it is some sort of sundial, time, latitude, longitude, kind of. Now, guys, here at Selfridge Air Force Base, we got fighter jets coming in, flying low. There's one there. We got another one over here. Man, what a cool sight. Stay to the left. Can you back it up?
Back it up.
Well, guys, we had to take our mast down. We got some low-hanging wires and a low bridge. 3.5 meters it says on the bridge, but we weren't even going to clear these wires. Check it out in front of us here. All clear, Bill! All of it.
Who does?
In them buildings that we were just at.
I didn't see anything.
Inside the buildings.
Children with admin, I was going too.
Inside the building. Ouch. It's always a bad day to see one down. but they have 2 of them down. I wonder if the dock collapsed or something. Or maybe this is just owner neglect. It's hard to say. But it doesn't look good. Call us, Red Dog Marine. We do marine salvage, restoration, towing, all the above. It's a cool looking sailboat too. Red Dog Marine, #1 in marine salvage. Give us a call. We'll take care of it for you. The Clinton River had so much to offer. What a beautiful waterfront community they have here. Wonderful docks right in your backyards. Beautiful homes. I mean, who wouldn't want to live here? Nope.
I will love you, boy. Good job.
Wow. Look at this cool rig. Seems to be some sort of military flag signal boat. Pride of Michigan. Pretty cool. You don't get to see stuff like this every day. Oh, and look over here behind us. Let's get the good wave. When we're on the boat, there's one thing we like to do. We love to wave to people, and we love to get that wave back. Let's keep waving. We'll just keep going. That's what we do it for. We do it for smiles, and we do it for waves. Yeah.
That's good stuff.
Is it? Yeah, right here. Ready? Check out this house right here. I mean, talk about goals. That is my goal right there. Wow.
All right, I'm gonna need some lines ready, boys.
We got lines.
All right.
You want me to put it in the dock?
You want to?
You want me to? Here we are pulling into the fuel dock. We're gonna get this marathon out on the end. Let's get some lines ready. Thank you. 60. It's a Grebe made out of Chicago. Give us a couple years and it'll look brand new. No, it's a Grebe. Grebe. G-R-E-B-E. Out of Chicago. Well, thank you. Oh, I see you brought Tinkerbell with you. And we're off. Yeah, we'll take a look at them. And we're off. Just picked up some fuel here at the Marathon Station. It's running. Ready? Hey guys, we made it out to Lake St. Clair. It's the north end. They call this Muscatine Bay. What a beautiful day. Boats running like a top. We're just cruising along. Stay tuned. See what we get into.
Haven't pulled out but now we're thinking we got a diver with the guy on it right first.
Ready? Here we are out on the back deck. Look how spacious this is. I'm 6.5 feet tall, and I got enough headroom in this thing. This boat was built for luxury. Isn't Lake St. Clair beautiful? The commerce. You know, we've talked before about commerce, but pretty much everything that comes from up north down to Detroit comes through this section of the world right here. This is what we like to call pure Michigan. Let's take a look out this back window. Oh wow, look at her, she's running good. Let's see what's in the lazarette. Well, on the brighter side of things, there's not a lot of water in there. That's always a good thing. I'm gonna climb down there and see. Yeah, there's a prop rod here. Okay, well, let's hope that doesn't fall on us. We got a light switch here. Nope, maybe not. Okay. Well guys, looks like we found a spare prop. Look at that beauty. 26-inch diameter, 22 pitch. That's a hell of a find. Welcome to the middle of Lake St. Clair, aboard our 60-foot 1963 Grebe custom yacht. As you can see the 9-mile tower over here, you can see Grosse Pointe Yacht Club in the distance. Looks like a castle. You know, Lake St. Clair was named after the French explorer St. Clair that found this place. You know, it's a great place to call home. A lot of fun. Beautiful day on the lake, nice and flat. Got some fishermen out here. We're doing a little fishing out back. You know, stay tuned and see what kind of fun we have. Go check the rod. Looks like she's still running good. Lake St. Clair is known for some of the world's largest musky smallmouth bass fishing and walleye. Right now we're running an orange bomber right in the prop wash here. We might be going a little bit fast, but if something hits it, it's gonna be big. Stay tuned and watch. Stay tuned and find out. As you can see, we got the U.S. Coast Guard up here. I hope everybody's safe. We'll just keep an eye on them for a little bit and see what's going on. We've seen some pretty cool training stuff that they've done out here, but hopefully this isn't a life-saving mission. Never like to hear about anybody being in peril. Got
Alright. Here's an update from our Grebe move. We midway through Lake St. Clair. We're gonna slide into Sinbad's and get something to eat here. Having Captain Sean's birthday today and everything. We want to make sure we keep him happy. He got this thing running right. We got a bad wheel. Something funny going on. Got to get a little vibration, and we'd be running a little hotter. Either way, we're on a real classy boat here, and as I look around, I see nothing but potential. You have potential. This boat is going to be nice. That's it. Cap Bill signing out.
Hey there. As you saw earlier, we had to drop our antennas and our mast for that to get under that bridge. And now we got to put it back up so we can talk to people on the radio. It's real important to have communication antennas up so that way you can know what's going on. Earlier we heard a distress call. But you won't hear that kind of stuff if you don't have your antennas up, and if you're around to help, I mean, you want to be there. Let's put the mast back up. It's beautiful. Heck, I bet you our TV even works. Look at this. How great is this? What a beautiful day spent out here with a couple of my best friends doing what we love to do. This is our downriver.
Alright, here we are, tooling along in our Grebe, right here at the mouth of St. Clair, kind of coming in. We were navigated by Belle Isle, Red Dog, he's enjoying the ride. Turns out when you look at this thing, I mean, this is a nice classy boat. We got that mast looking right with some flags on it. This thing's got a class, Yeah, the whole deal looks good. Looks good. Get that cleaned up, The screen works. Latch, we're missing the latch here.
Check it out. This is what I call living. Okay, it doesn't get much better than this. We're sitting here cruising along, 63-year-old custom luxury yacht built here on the Great Lakes. I mean, it's awesome. Stay tuned. We're gonna go find some food too. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but it is my birthday today, and we're going to Latitudes in Wyandotte. We're gonna meet the ladies, and we're gonna see how everybody likes the sauce. We are produced by Laguna Hot Sauce, and we love it. It's where the sauce meets the sea. It's got tropical vibes. It's everything we want. Cut. Proud. I feel proud.
I wanted to have a diver on it.
Hey, Val's licensed diver. We have.
Yeah, a snorkeler can go down.
No, I know, but Adam has no less than 10 sets of dive gear. He has 3. Here we are coming into Detroit. Beautiful skyline. Check out this schooner we're coming up to on the right. We're gonna do the scooter up here. Yeah. Hey everybody, look, here's Jeff. Let's see if we can get a wave.
We'll see this world through our eyes, up for anything we'll find.
Ah, they seem to like it. We do too. know, guys, when we're out here on the water, a lot of times you gotta watch for weather, okay? Right off the bat, if you look over here, you can see all this rain. You know, as we know our weather patterns, they usually work towards the northeast. So that's gonna miss us, but we'll see. Check this out. This triple-masted sailing schooner. It docks up here in Detroit. You can come down, pay a small fee, and then they'll take you in. They'll sail you around in here for the day. It's really cool. Let's see if they'll wave to us. You know what we like to do? We like to smile and wave. Look at that. Let's give them the thumbs up. It's called the Alliance, if you're interested. You can look it up on the internet. I like he's getting pictures of us. Hey, check it out. There's the Belle Isle Bridge. We've talked about Belle Isle before. It's one of the most highest per day usage national parks in the entire country.
Chase our dreams as long as we can. We'll see this world through our eyes. Up for anything we'll find. Up for anything we'll find. London rain on the tube at night. Your umbrella stayed behind. Platform 8, the same old sign. We grew apart like southern climes. Raindrops tap like Morse code.
You know, a lot of what we do is just sitting here enjoying life, living the best life. Even this is our dog, you know. Our business is called Red Dog Marine. Well, let me formally introduce everybody to our Red Dog. Say hi, Red. This is what he likes to do. Hey, check it out in front of us. You got the Ambassador Bridge.
Rain becomes, rain becomes, rain becomes.
The revival of Detroit is amazing. Like, this is just one instance of it. You check it out. They get these wonderful artists to come down and hit the sides of these old buildings. And I mean, it just showcases the men and women working America. I mean, it's the trades.
Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity. In this land of sweet harmony. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes.
As you saw earlier, I was doing a little fishing. I always like to carry a fishing rod on me with my bed. This is the Rigged and Ready X5. It is a 7-foot long fishing rod, 5-piece. You put a different tip on it, it's 6'3". Check this out, I'm just breaking it down now. It comes with the spinning reel, which is nice. 11 ball bearing, smooth, works real well. Also comes with a fly rod. You can spin this thing around and it turns into a fly rod for you. So let me show you how easy it breaks down and how it packs weight. I just throw it right in my backpack. First thing I do is I unscrew the first piece. Okay, once that unscrews, bam, you take that out and you put that one in the bag. Like I said, that one also flips over, the cap switches, becomes a fly rod. Number 2
Peace
in the
and
bag.
love across the land, like waves upon the golden sand. Feel the rhythm, let it flow in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. Whoa,
And just like that. So they give you this tube here. It's got a whole collection of tips. So if you want to run a bigger bait or something, you use this little shorty. You want to fly fish, right here. You want to have an ultralight, right there. And then just your standard fishing rod, right there. Everything fits back in this tube. Let me tell you, this particular kit, it's been halfway around the world. And let me show you how nice it packs up. Fold that over like that. Give her the roll. They say you tie it, but it goes in like that. And we just break this handle down. It unscrews a little bit. Boom, then it folds in. With the reel, well, we'll just put this one in there by itself and the other one in the bag. So between this little bag right here and the tackle box there, we can do just about anything. I mean, we're not spending the day out there fishing, but we are. Okay, look at that. Rigged and ready, 5X, box to tackle. They both fit in the backpack. How much better does life get? This is what we do. Wow, what a cool rig. How lucky are we to get to do this every day? Check this thing out. We're coming up to Mitzi's gas dock here. We got the brand new River Rouge boat launch. This is Ballinger Park. Great place to come fish. Another one of them good fishing spots if you're interested. Quality Marine actually now owns Mitzi's gas dock. Welcome to River Rouge. Here's the seacourse. Welcome to Bishop Park, Wyandotte. Another great place to fish. Right at the foot of, I don't know, call it Eureka. Come on down, cast the line. Enjoy the day. Yeah. Yeah, I just pull it straight in and then just back her up. Cut.
But I tell you guys.
Yeah, I know, but ready? Roll tape. I'd pull it straight in and then just back her around the corner there, Bill. Just like you've done it 1,000 times. Hey, look, there's my baby girl. Let's wave. Can we get the wave? Ooh, burn. Oh, there's the wave. Yeah, so we're pulling into Latitudes here, one of the finest waterfront restaurants here in Wyandotte. And let's see how Captain Bill brings us in. Let's get some lines ready. You know, when you're training a new captain, you always want to let them do their thing.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean just me.
Let's get the spring line ready.
Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow.
spin. Here we are at Latitudes in Wyandotte with our 60-foot Grebe. What a great trip it was. Let's go in and have some dinner. That is a good looking boat, isn't it? Man, that stuff is so hot.
Hi guys, I'm Kayla and we're at Latitudes and I'm here with Laguna hot sauce. And it is the best hot sauce because it's the only hot sauce that kids will actually eat. And we are going to do a taste test with the pineapple mango flavor with these crab cakes.
Welcome to Latitudes. We're going to try this Laguna pineapple mango and see how it does on this New York strip. By the way, this is my beautiful family, my beautiful better half Marissa, and our sweet baby girl Kayla May. Let's try this stuff. You know, I always like to use a lot of it because it's like, just try and make sure you get everything you need to get out of it. But we're going to try it on this wonderful New York strip, which it didn't need it in the first place. But like I told you before, I like to put the stuff on everything. Wow. Wow. How far has that sauce elevated this steak? Amazing. Laguna hot sauce, located everywhere. Try it, like it, subscribe, stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back. We just had a phenomenal dinner at Latitudes here in Wyandotte. This is my beautiful better half, Marissa. Everybody say hi. And yeah, we're just enjoying the good life aboard our 60-foot Grebe custom motor yacht. Well guys, we made it. Here we are tying up the last line at the dock. It's been a great journey. It's been a wonderful time. Great food, great adventure, great friends. Thanks for being there with us. Like and subscribe. Check back for our next episode. Have a great day. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. That's what it's all about.